Okay, welcome back to the channel. Hope all of you are doing great today. Okay, now on today's episode, we are going to analyze one cryptocurrency. Okay, let's move towards that. Then another forex currency also we analyze. I think we have analyzed this wrapped Bitcoin. Now this SUI. Okay, what does this mean? SUI USD. Okay, this is the cryptocurrency with market cap of 12.35 billion, trading volume 1.65 billion, then volume is not available. 1 year 242.01 percentage, year to date minus 10.11 percentage, 6 month minus 0.72 percentage, 3 month 14.93, and 1 month 74.44 percentage, and 1 week minus 7.94, and year volume is not available. Then average volume on 30-day in no 24 hours it is 1.65, then fully diluted market cap 37.01 billion, volume to market cap 0.1373, circulating supply 3.34 billion. And now we'll look towards the technical indicator. RSI is on 63, stochastic 55, commodity 114, momentum 2.99, Williams Fortune range minus 33, EMA 2.85, SMA 2.85 also. Then EMA on 20 day 2.080, SMA on 20 day 1.95. Then year resistance third 12.16, second 7.67, first one 5.89, pivot 3.17, support 3.99, then 5.95, 4.89, 1.37, 1.46, 0.40. Carmelia 5.35, 4.93, 4.52, 3.17, 3.70, 3.29. Udi 10.85, 7.90, 6.36, 3.41, 1.86, then 6.78, 3.62, 2.28. Okay, now. This okay now when you look just at the technical indicator, here will also be top level resistance, then here will be support means the zone from where the stock is moving upward, and resistance means the zone from where the stock is falling downward. Okay, consider this support and resistance, and take your wise better and good financial decision. Here also will be resist support also, then here also will be resistance. Okay. Okay, now consider this, then it will be better for everyone. And when we analyze this stock, okay, and then we can make the good financial and other decision also. Okay, so make this and use your own knowledge while trading. And when we use RSI technical indicator, then there will be the more chance of showing volatility. Here RSI is on 56.49. Then when you use RSI, then another indicator MACD line also, MACD also moving average convergence and divergence. Here it has shown, and MACD has shown if this signal is below this, then it will be considered as a perfectly buying zone. Okay, so always try to make a better financial decision, use your own logic, and always use the technique that what this main work of this crypto, what this main crypto do. Okay, this much for today. Have a great day.